Today we are doing an oil change on a Multi Pro Toro. It's a 5600. Here's the machine right here. Sprayer unit on the back. And just wanted to show you, this is a real simple machine. The filter you're going to need is a Napa 1335 right there. Here's the one that came out. Now if you're on the passenger side of the machine, just go right under, behind the wheel. There's your pan, there's your bolt. Take that bolt out, oil drops in the pan, tighten it back up, put your filter back on. Now the filter, got the new filter here, is gonna go, if you're looking at your bolt, let me get the light up here. There's your bolt, just look up, and you can see that's where the filter is gonna screw back on, right there. It's your new filter. I already put a little bit of oil on there, but take some oil, wipe it around that seal there, and I usually put a little bit on the threads there before you go ahead and screw that back up there. But again, it's right above the bolt. You can see it there, and can hand tighten her up. And then I'll just get a wrench on there and snug it up a little bit, but don't put it too tight. It's real simple. And I'm sure you probably already know this, but your oil dipstick is your carburetor and your throttle body here, but underneath it is hose behind it. There we go. See it down there? That's your dipstick. Alright. And over here on the driver's side of the machine is where you get a light here. See that there? Just gonna pull that out. That's where you're gonna put your oil in. Let me turn the light on here. There we go. That's where your oil's gonna go in. You know, a lot of people look up there on the valve cover and they're looking for some type of screw cap or whatever, but on this machine, pull this out. That's where your oil goes in right there. Alright. Hope this helps. See you next time.